When it comes to woodworking, having the right tools is essential for achieving precision and excellence in your projects. One such indispensable tool is the plunge router. In this video, we will take a closer look at the best plunge routers on the market. We have carefully selected top models based on performance, features, and user reviews to help you find the perfect tool for your needs. Number 1. BOSCH 1617E EVSPK Plunge Router. The BOSCH 1617E EVSPK Plunge Router is a versatile and durable tool, perfect for a wide range of woodworking applications. Its powerful motor and precise control make it a favorite among both hobbyists and professionals. This router is designed to handle everything from edge forming to dovetail cutting with ease and precision. Key features: ideal for bit plunging, edge forming, slot cutting, and more. Aluminum body with wooden and soft grip handles. Rounded hardwood handles and microfine depth adjustment. Constant response circuitry for steady speed. 12-ampere motor with 8,000 to 25,000 revolutions per minute speed range. Includes multiple bases, collets, wrenches, and carrying cases. Number 2. DEWALT DWP611PK Plunge Router. The DEWALT DWP611PK Plunge Router is a compact and powerful tool designed to tackle the toughest woodworking tasks. With its durable motor and advanced features, this router ensures precision and control, making it an excellent choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Key features: 1.25 horsepower motor for tough applications. Optimizes bit speed for various tasks. Maintains speed with electronic feedback. Dual LED and clear sub-base. Adjustment ring for 1x64-inch depth changes. Precise depth setting on plunge base. Large spindle lock button for comfort. Number 3. SKIL RT1322 Plunge Router. The SKIL RT1322 Plunge Router is designed for versatility and power, featuring a robust 14-ampere motor and multiple bases to handle a variety of woodworking tasks. Its advanced features and user-friendly design make it a great choice for both beginners and seasoned woodworkers. Key features: 14-ampere, 2.5 horsepower motor with fixed and plunge bases. LCD display for selecting optimal speed settings. Maintains RPM during routing. Ensures a controlled and safe start. Alerts when the router is connected to power. Number 4. Makita RT0701CX7 Plunge Router. The Makita RT0701CX7 Plunge Router is a versatile and precise tool, designed with a powerful motor and user-friendly features. Its compact and ergonomic design ensures comfort and control, making it an ideal choice for detailed woodworking projects. Key features: 10,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute for application-specific speed. Rack and pinion fine depth adjustment system. Slim body for increased comfort and control. Easy depth adjustments and base changes. Maintains constant speed under load. 1-to-1x4 horsepower motor for improved performance. Number 5. Triton TRA001 Plunge Router. The Triton TRA001 Plunge Router is a powerful and innovative tool that offers the flexibility of both plunge and fixed base routing. Its unique features and robust design make it a top choice for serious woodworkers seeking precision and versatility. Key features: switches from plunge to fixed base with a single button. Single wrench bit change with automatic spindle lock. Continuous fine depth adjustment in plunge mode. Perfect speed for all cutter types. Number 6. WEN RT6033 Plunge Router. The WEN RT6033 Plunge Router is a powerful and versatile tool, designed to handle a wide range of woodworking tasks. Its variable speed motor and dual functionality as both a plunge and fixed router make it a valuable addition to any woodworker's toolkit. Key features: 15-ampere variable speed motor, locks in downward position for plunge and fixed routing, accepts 1 by 4.5-inch router bits, 7-stop turret with macro and micro adjustment dials. Thank you for watching our in-depth review of the best plunge routers on the market. We hope this guide has helped you find the perfect tool for your woodworking needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more detailed reviews and helpful tips on the latest tools and equipment. Stay tuned for more content and happy woodworking.